Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where monitor keeps going black randomly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Okay, so here's what we have to do. First of all, search for device manager, open the device manager, expand this list for display adapters, right click on this and select update drivers. Okay, so this is the main solution, and other than this, check for the cables in the hardware and the compatibility. Practically, this is the only solution. But other than this, you can right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates to update it to the latest version. But the main solution is the one that I said. You need to update the drivers if it is not a hardware issue. If it's a hardware issue, then that's a separate case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.